Welcome to a brand new tutorial from Tech Mountain. In this video, I'm going to show you how to broadcast a YouTube livestream from OBS Studio. So, stay with us until the last second of this interesting episode. First you should open OBS Studio, then you should open the game or software which is going to be live. I open Brave browser for just an example. Now click on the plus icon and select window capture. Now select your window and hit OK. Now click on the plus icon in the scene tab and create a new scene. This will be important for you when you want to break in live stream. Now upload an image into it. You can change the scene transition from this window. Now go to the main scene and add your logo. I have a green screen logo animation and I'm going to upload it. Then resize your logo as you wish. Now add chroma key to remove green screen. Now I'm going to add a watermark for my live stream. I have created this by using Adobe Photoshop. Now you should open YouTube Studio and click on Live icon. Then edit the details if you want. Now you should copy the stream key. Now go to Settings in OBS Studio. Click on Stream and paste the copied stream key. Now click on Start Streaming. After few movements you will live on YouTube. You can end the live stream by simply clicking the end button in YouTube. So this is the end of today's quick tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, click on subscribe button and hit on the bell icon as well.
Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11, it's time for progression. You could try to play but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy.